Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your Vanguard investing account. First, go to the Vanguard website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the top navigation bar. Click on Profile, then select My Profile. Next, go to the Products tab at the top. In the drop-down, click on Close your account with Vanguard. You'll now be asked to select a reason for closing your account. Choose one and click Next. On the next page, if you have any outstanding cash or investments in your account, they will be sold automatically and the remaining balance will be transferred to your linked bank account, which will be shown on the screen. If everything looks correct and you're sure you want to proceed, simply click on Submit. And that's it. Your Vanguard account will be closed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.